My name's Kevin, I'm the Warden, and today we will be picking a few apples to put through the apple press to create apple juice.
Hi there, I'm Kit. I'm also part of the Countryside Warden team here at Rokeford. And we'll start off here in the orchard and we'll take you through from apple picking to the juice and cider.
Right.
When harvesting the apples to make the juice, it's important to get a good variety because if you use the same apple and it's sour or sweet or very acidic, that flavour will come through. Kevin has pulped them up. The apples have been chopped into a fine pulp, like so. The next step is to put them into the press. As you'll see, Kevin is just lining the press with a muslin cloth. Can be done with any cloth really, any porous material, and that will just catch the bits so that you get the juice without any lumps and any pulp and peel in it. Take the top, and then the screw will come down on the top and compress it, and the juice will flow out on the bottom. To make cider, you have to leave it for about 9 to 12 months in an airtight vat. But for apple juice, if you pasteurise it, it will keep for about 9-10 months. As it is stored in the fridge, it will take about 2 or 3 days.
This is the end product. Cheers everybody.